Auto Enter Configuration HF680 Scanner. This video addresses the question, how to add Auto Enter after each scan. There are two generations of HF680 barcode scanners. Depending on the generation, a different configuration will be used for configuring a carriage return. A detailed article can be found on the technical support portal, support.honeywellhaidc.com. On the top search section, we can type HF680 Auto Enter Configuration. Click on Search. Then, from left side, we select Articles and click on the article named Auto Enter Configuration HF680 Scanner. First, we must identify the generation of your scanner. To do so, we must review the part number available on the label stock, at the base of the scanner. First generation HF680 scanners. The highlighted information in the red box can be found on the label stock from the base of the scanner. If the part number starts with HF680-0 or HF680-1, then the barcode scanner is first generation. To apply the auto enter to the scanner, known as a carriage return, the barcode enable CR suffix must be scanned, available in the user guide reachable on sbs.honeywell.com, or in the knowledge article available on the portal, on support.honeywellhaidc.com. Second generation HF680 scanner. The highlighted information from the label is showing the part number. If the part number is HF680-0 or HF680-1, or HF680-12, then the barcode scanner is a second generation. To apply the auto enter to the scanner, the barcode VSUFCR should be scanned. Now the scanner will transmit an automatic enter after each scan performed. Thanks for watching.